Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Battle.net and secure authentication for Blizzard accounts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Battle.net website. Locate the download button on the home page. Click on the button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to open it. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the Battle.net application. When prompted, choose the installation location or proceed with the default setting. Wait for the installation to complete, then launch the Battle.net application. Once the application is open, you will be prompted to log in. If you don't have a Blizzard account, click on Create a free Blizzard account. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. Make sure your password is strong and unique to enhance security. After completing the account creation, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Battle.net application and log in with your new account credentials. To secure your account, navigate to the account settings. Look for the Security section. Enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. You can choose to link an authenticator app or receive SMS codes for extra security. Follow the prompts based on your chosen method to complete the setup. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. Once 2FA is set up, log out and log back in to ensure it's working correctly. Explore the Battle.net interface to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to enjoy your Blizzard games with a secured account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.